Hi guys, this is John MC50. We're on Decent Free Space The Great War. You said you wanted to know if you could use control stick or gamepad on here. Yes, you can. Okay? But it isn't recommended. And I'll show you the reason why. And then, note I have everything set on easy. I have voice breathing on. I'd rather them read it to me because I can't read too good. I have it set very easy. Okay, good. Okay. Now, and my mouse on. Okay. Now you do have control configurations for your stick. If you have a plugged in gamepad or anything like that. But the problem with this is a big one. Look how many controls you have here. Let's start off with targeting. Target next ship. Target previous ship. Target closest hostile. Previous closest hostile. See how it goes down? That's all for the targeting one. You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. That's the whole amount of joystick control that I have. Just on that one section. That gives you a hint. That's for targeting. Let's see the ship control now. You don't even have to see it. I'll show you. Let me show you a zoom in so you get a better idea what you're looking at. I went back to the targeting again, as you saw. Look at all the controls. That's a lot. That's 22, I think. Now let's go take a look at the ship navigation. Wow. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, there's another hole, another one that fills the joystick up. Interesting. So which means you have to choose one or the other with that one. Okay? Weapons. That's easy. Okay, that's an easy one. And miscellaneous. How would I choose? Okay. That's a hard decision. I can only choose my personal experience. I never did one, so I can't give you an idea. My advice, you send them to the way you like. Choose the one you most will be using on the stick, and use the ones on the keyboard for the rest. Okay, that's my advice. I had two controllers, a flight stick and a gamepad. Both of them have like 22 inputs. So, they give you a hint. You have to be very careful what you choose. Okay? In my case, I would choose left and right and up and down. I don't see which one's up and down here. Okay. See, it even shows you here. Joystick, X, your axle. That probably means up and down. Okay. I don't know what that means. I have no idea. Okay. As you can see, some of them are none here. Okay, which means it's default settings. Left control button. See all. So that's very confusing for a lot of people. So my advice, I'd say, I use mouse, and I'll tell you the reason why. You'll need one hand for your mouse. Okay, you'll need one hand for your mouse, and I have it set up for this. Okay. See the mouse the way it moves? That's how fast your ship is going to move. Left, right, up and up, left, right, up and down. As you'll see. Okay. Now, the thing is this, the other hand has to use the keyboard. So your mouse handles your primary weapon and your secondary weapons. You can move your ship left and right, up and down. To move your ship, I recommend tab or anything like that, okay? The rest, the machine will tell you, okay? Alright, that's the end of this joystick 12 routine. Thank you for watching. Okay.